Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix the disappear photos on your iPhone. It's actually a very simple tutorial that I'll show you how to do right now. So the first thing you want to do is slap the like button, hit the subscribe button, and you want to go over to settings. You want to click on your name at the top. You want to click on iCloud, and you want to have photos. So here you want to make sure everything is synchronized, as you can see right here. And this is basically the first thing you want to do. The next thing you want to do is go over to your Photos app and make sure you are in the right album. As you can see right here, I have the Albums app at the bottom right with the blue icon. And if you cannot see it in your recents or favorites, you might be in another album. Next thing you can do is go to the bottom, at the very bottom, click on recently deleted, log in, and you might have deleted these photos. You want to make sure that that is okay. So that's pretty much all you can do. If you're still having any issues, let me know in the comment section down below, and I would love to help you out. Also, hit the like button, really helps out the channel, and subscribe. See you next one.